Today's topic is two-way slab. Two-way slab is a slab supported by beams or walls on all the four sides. In two-way slab, the ratio of longer span to shorter span is less than 2. In two-way slab, we provide a main steel in both the directions. Now we have a question here. A room of size 4000 into 5000 mm having a two-way reinforced slab of thickness 120 mm. The dimension of the slab is here 4000 into 5000. 5000 is longer span and 4000 is shorter span, and we provide main reinforce in both the directions, means this is two-way slab, and thickness of this slab is 120 mm, and the thickness of wall is here 300 mm on which the slab rests. Now both way reinforcement is provided. 10 mm dia bars are provided at 100 mm center to center over the shorter span, and the reinforcement spacing is here in shorter span, that's 100 mm center to center spacing, and for longer span the spacing of a main reinforcement is 120 mm, and 50% of the bars are bent up at L/5 from each support along the shorter span, and the bent up bars, we provide bent up bars alternatively, and the length of a bent up portion is L/5 from the center of bearing, or we can say from effective span. And what we do is we draw the sectional plan showing all the reinforcement in the slab, and second one is there cross section of slab across the shorter span. Now we are going to draw here sectional plan and a cross section. Okay, now first of all, support width is 300 mm, and this is support here. Support width is 300 mm here. And clear span is 4 meter. This is 4 meter. And we have to add bearing here, that's 20 mm, 20 centimeter, we can say 200 mm, and this is here slab. This is 200 mm bearing. This is the section of beam here. Now this is conventional sign of brick. You have to use 30 degree for this inclination. Now reinforcement. For reinforcement we use this yellow color. Now for reinforcement, first of all, main reinforcement is there This is main reinforcement of 10 mm center to center, and also this is bent up bar here, bent up bar. You can use 45 for this inclination, and here this is end cover, end cover, end cover, and this is here glare cover, glare cover 13 mm, 13 mm glare cover. Here also glare cover, mm, 13 mm, and these bars are, this is main reinforcement, main reinforcement 10 mm dia bars, bars at 100 mm center to center spacing. Center to center spacing. Now this is the L/5 here from center of bearing, and this is clear, this is the span, clear span, that's L equals to 4 meter, 4 meter, and effective span is from center of bearing to center of bearing. Effective span is equals to the distance between center of bearing to center of bearing, and the clear span is equals to distance between two supports. And this is here clear cover. Clear cover is the distance between exposed surface of concrete to the reinforcement. Now this is L section of this slab, two-way slab. Now one more thing is there, distribution steel. Distribution steel, this is distribution steel here. It is at a spacing of 100. Distribution steel is at a spacing of 200 mm center to center. This is distribution steel. At 200 center to center. Now we can go for this cross section or sectional plan, we can say. Now we can use projections also. With the help of projections we can draw this sectional plan. Sorry, it's only now the wall thickness is 300 mm. Then this is wall thickness here. जो अंदर की लाइन है, डॉटेड लाइन, ये हिडन है, इट्स हिडन दैट्स वाई वी यूज़ हेयर डॉटेड लाइन, क्योंकि इस पे जो स्लैब है, स्लैब इसके ऊपर है, ये लाइन हमें आ रही है हिडन, दैट्स वाई वी यूज़ हेयर डॉटेड लाइन। तो स्लैब इसके ऊपर है और स्लैब कितने बेयरिंग कितनी है हमें 20, दैट मीन्स हमें 20 अंदर जाना है, तो ये स्लैब हमें आ जाएगी। This is now, this is here brickwork. You can use 45 angle or 30 angle for this inclination, for this brickwork. And this is continuity sign here. Now reinforcement. Reinforcement is start from, we can take 13 mm only here first, then leave this 13 mm and go for this main reinforcement. This main reinforcement. Alternate bars are bent up, that's why we use here dotted lines. Alternate bars are bent up here, this is bent portion. This is at a spacing of 120 mm, 120 mm. And now these are this distribution and also main bars here. These are main bars as well as distribution bars are here. These are main bars, main bars, (10 mm dia, 10 mm dia at 100 mm center spacing. And this is here distribution bars. Now okay, these are this is the portion of L/5. Now you can draw this L/5 here, bent up portion. Okay, thank you.